Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorials. Now unlike explanation of now we finished all the components in Scratch. So now I thought to make one calculator in the Scratch. I just inserted all the sprites required for this calculator for not wasting the time. But now I thought to do the code with you guys. So let's get started. This is for a calculator in Scratch. I will be sharing the link in the description section too. So now the primary thing is the main sprite is going to be equal to the equal to sprite. So we need to start the equal to sprite now. So before starting the code, we need to make the variables. So we need to make one for the first number. So let's make a sprite one number 1 and next one number 2. And also we need to create a variable for the operation like multiplication, addition or subtraction or even division. Now the next one is solution. It should show the solution. It does not need the save block. This requires like buttons, just like the real machine. So let's start with the equal to. When flag clicked, hide the solution. Where is it? Yes. So we will need to hide the solution because the working is going on. So before that, we should set the solution to 0. So after setting the solution to 0, we should set the operation to 0. And number 2 should be completely blank. Number 1, number 2, there should be no 0. It should be like blank. So now it should show the variable number because first the number 1 starts. So like show the variable number 1, then it should hide the variable number 2. So this is the code. Now we need to let's make the variables hide. So now we should click on this. When this sprite clicked, the number 2 should hide. Hide variable number 2. And we should know how the sprite is going to sense whether it is multiplication. We are not going to use the ask block like usual. So now we need to first go to the add one. When this sprite is clicked, set operation. So we should set the operation to add. And if it is divide, so when this sprite clicked, it should divide. So we should set the operation to, it's going to be divide. Now for multiplication, when this sprite clicked, set to times, set operation times. So now one more is pending, that is subtraction. Okay, you can see that subtraction is blocking the multiplication sign, so we should edit it in the costumes and delete this white color block. Okay, so now it's perfect. So the next thing we are going to be doing is make the other main equal sprite receive it. Take an if then else block, first of all. So we should take equal to sign in the operators. So if the operations is equal to times, then we should set the solution to the multiplication to number 1 into number 2. So now we should duplicate this if then else block. For the next one, let's make it divide. Then we should make this right divide. Okay. Now next one is for minus. Minus. Take the minus block. So now for addition we don't need to specifically write, and in that else loop just write set solution to that plus. Set the solution, take a plus block, number 1 plus number 2. So now like if it is like over infinity, it should show the infinity sign too. So for that, include another if then statement at the end and take an equal to block saying infinity. So if the solution is equal to infinity, set solution to like error let's click on that right. Error, try again. Okay. So now we should again show the variable called solution when it's time to show the answers, when the operations are done. Show variable solution, oh no, not rename, solution, and then we should set the number to solution so that it can show set number 1 to solution. Okay, so next we need to hide the variable because it's already shown. Hide variable solution, and the number should be shown to start again. Show variable number 1 and set number 2. Okay, so coming back, now we need to yes. So now the next thing we are going to do is set number 2 to a blank, So now we just forgot about the numbers. So the first number, that is 1, we should set this to like we should, when the sprite is clicked, it should broadcast a message 1. For this, it should broadcast 2. When this sprite is clicked, it should broadcast 3, and so on. It's going to go like that. This sprite clicked, broadcast 4. But when this sprite clicked, broadcast 5. And when the 6 is clicked, broadcast 6. And then when this sprite clicked, broadcast 7. And when this sprite is clicked, broadcast 8. So now in this we are also going to add a thing called decimals. I need to do that after I finish all the numbers. So 9. When this sprite click, broadcast 0. So now after 0 coming back to the decimals, when this sprite click, broadcast a dot. A dot. I'll just start from dot. Okay, broadcast a dot. Okay, so now finally for the background code, I'll be doing the background code in my the next video. So it will take some time. That's why. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.